Well, hello friends and fellow Disney fans. Welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. Today we're checking out a studio room here at Disney's Hilton Head Resort. So today we'll be checking out room 1223. This is a single studio room here at Disney's Hilton Head Resort. So let's go in. So right when you enter, the first thing that you will see is a beautiful kitchenette. Now, the kitchenette comes with a small mini fridge, a Keurig for your coffee. Of course, you've got a microwave, a lot of storage for food and snacks. Have a little bit of plastic cups and plates and cutlery here. Of course, you've got your stuff for your ice. Beautiful countertop. Of course, you've got your toaster ready to go. Lots of Keurig stuff for your coffee. Right in here, you've got, again, more plastic cutlery. And then below, more shelving space. We're gonna keep heading on in here, but this is really a great option for your snacks, for food, not entire meals necessarily, but a good option for an extended stay here. Now, as we make our way in, I'm going to hit the lights so that we can see everything. But when we turn on our right, what we find here is a nice sized closet. And then on our left is the bathroom. Bathroom is a very, very nice size. Beautiful vanity there. And then you've got a bath and full shower. And of course, you got wonderful Disney inspired art with hidden Mickeys throughout. Now, heading back into the main room, as you will see here, you've got a queen size bed and then a queen pull down. You turn the lights on. Again, on both sides of both beds, you have side tables with lots of places to plug in your electronics. Again, more wonderful Disney art, just a theme throughout. On the bed, before you've pulled it down, when it is just a couch for your sitting enjoyment, you've got this picture of Mickey and Minnie holding hands overlooking, of course, Hilton Resort. Now, let's pull this down. Very easy to pull down here. And behind it, of course, is the exact same picture, but now it's a beautiful sunset. But this time, Pluto is just hanging out with Chip and Dale. How awesome is that? Here is your other queen-sized bed. And then, of course, lots of shelves for you to store your items for the week that you're here, as well as a beautiful TV. And all of this heads on outside to an absolutely gorgeous awning here. Balcony, complete with rocking chairs, overlooking the Atlantic Ocean and the rest of the resort. Absolutely beautiful. Gotta love this table out here. Again, good place to eat. A few things I want to say. Some would say, well, why would you want a studio room if you are coming to Hilton Head? I'm going to be here for several days. I want meals. Well, the beautiful thing about Hilton Head is it's got some of the best restaurants in all of the United States. So you want to come here and eat, but maybe you don't want to be cooking up your own meals. This room has all the amenities you would need for your snacks, for you to have items to keep yourself fed when you're playing at the pool, when you're enjoying the resort. But you can still go out and eat and enjoy all of that. This bedroom really is perfect for a family of 4 or less. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it helps as you're planning your next Disney vacation. And if you are planning your next Disney vacation, why not contact my wife? She is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. That means she just comes alongside you and works really as like a free concierge service to help ensure you have the most magical vacation possible. If you are wanting to book with her, easiest way to do that is by contacting her via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com. You can look at her email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or you can contact her through the website, www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and we'll see you next time.